EFCC oga don come outside come talk one new one o. Say since when he enter power, in fact say he don gather over 6 billion, in fact no be even 6, he don gather billions of naira wey they use to arrest people. Say people wey don arrest na this money na he don gather for their hand. This EFCC man wey name na Abdulrasheed Bawah say he don, in fact the money wey he collect he collect $261 million. He don't even collect 6 billion naira. He collect 13,000 pounds. I beg all this kind plenty money where they call like this. Where this money they go inside? Because if na criminal hand they collect them, I beg where these people they even say all this kind of money for? So this kind of money they inside our country. Now people go see they talk say country hard, country hard. Now wow, they talk say this man talk this one for the presidential media team ministerial briefing. Now they for talk this one. Say aside that money, in fact that money when you even see now chicken change. My people beg, make I even first watch this video.
Just last week, I don't have to be saying this. I hope the press will not take it. We recovered over ₦1 billion from a civil servant. Just to tell you that the leakages are there. All of us that are ₦1 billion sitting in an account, not properties, cash. Just to tell you the problem that we have. Leakages are there everywhere. From what you are saying, from the budget processes all through to the allocation of funds.
And I don't hear what he talk. Say just last week, now he collect billions of naira. And now, aside this money we even collect, they talk say he collect 30 real estate houses. He see 32 automobile. In fact, that means things they way people they use illegally for this our country, Nigeria. If they go seize all these kinds, say farmland, properties, or rich things when he collect, this one no be thief. When he collect from these people hand, say the thing plenty. Now they are going to wonder. Nigerian people wanna get money, but now money no pure, it no legal. Because if this money pure like this, they no go they arrest and say they arrest on for all these kind of crimes so they do. And this Mr. Bawah they talk say in fact 800 people now they carry go court next week. Hey, 800 people. How many people can remain? If all these kind of people they do yahoo, 800 people. And in fact, people where they don't even arrest, where they say they don't arrest them down, 1,502 people now they do internet fraud. And these people their age range now between 25 to 34. See young people. And I no go find better work go do. Now they will work 419 work 9 and 1 can do. But him now they claim say all this money and all this thing we mention. In fact, he get breakdown of all these things. Say everything they one place. So make nobody come they talk say he don't chop anybody money. And say even all these governors and government people where they cut. In fact, they go persecute all of them. He go make sure say all of them go jail. In fact, this Mr. Bawah, in they really work, in they doing work well. But I want to ask first. Hope say this prosecution no be for mouth. No be audio. No be say we go here say they don't prosecute them. Next week now they go pay money say they don't release them. We don't want to hear this kind of thing because now dear people go vex. Because we know say all this kind police and all this nasabi magumago ways. No be say now contact saying they don't carry them go 10 years imprisonment. We no go even see them one day inside jail. We no go even see themselves for even the jail uniform. Now when they give us one kind 4119. But I beg where all this money dey? Inside which person account all this money they enter? All this money where you call now, all this property where you call. Who account this money they enter? Because we still they owe money. We still they owe China money. So I don't can understand all this money where they call. Why we know they use this money now? They go they settle our debts. Make we know say at least we don't they free small. Because we just they hear this money now from calculation we they hear them for. The money we know they see them. You they collect this money. I been a Buhari, they give this money. You supposed to talk down oneself. Nobody say go just say you don't collect. Who they collect this money? Inside which account they put all this money? Because I know can they understand though. And they do well, yes, fine. We know say now they work and they do nothing well. But make now also they give us account of where this money they go. Because later on we go here say they don't use this money to do this one. They don't use, and I know will give us concrete evidence say this money we na collect now here the money they. I beg this money when I call me, I don't even conclude say make na use and pay our debt. This money plenty. By the time we will calculate all this kind of money, in fact, this money go even pass money will be say some senators they even earn on a daily basis. So the best thing now, make they carry this money, go take settle debt. Because Nigeria don't dey into so much debt. How we go get all this kind of money and people go they suffer? If say this money is what they even collect, if say they even share and say for the citizens, I sure say citizens go even they happy. But this one, nobody know where this money they go. This man, na him dey talk this thing, him dey talk and they form moral say that they really work. But na work abeg no be for mouth. Make una show evidence say this thing wey na dey do am in the right way. Make people no come judge you later say the money wey you collect you don thief am, you don go hide am. Because I sure say you sef as you dey like that, some of all this money e go dey enter in our pocket. Una don hear reach say police arrest person, the person hold money, the money dey come return am. We never hear am reach. That money last, the money don't go, the money don't loss. So I beg, make una do na work right. My people, I hear this one, I come say make I bring and come, make una self using na ear. Hear wetin this EFCC man don't talk. So for those of una where they do 419, their old boys, they don't ready for now. They don't even dey fit. Anybody where do this kind of thing now, in fact, they don't dey ready. And if na sentence, you go that sentence. No more bribery and corruption for this country. Everybody don't dey legal, they don't dey right. My people, anything where I feel about this whole matter, make una not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make una not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you for the next video. Our Honorable President Muhammadu Buhari don come outside talk say him administration don lift out people out of poverty. Him talk say as Nigerians, in fact, we no even dey suffer at all. Say everybody dey live fine for this internal, say people dey okay. And him claim say this in administration, he lift out 10.5 million Nigerians out of poverty. This one over shock me. Make una watch the video from where he talk this kind thing.
In the last 2 years, we lifted 10.5 million people out of poverty. Farmers, small-scale traders, artisans, market women, and the like. I am very convinced that this 100 million target can be met, and this informed the development of a national poverty reduction with growth strategy.
Una don see am abi? Him talk say small-scale traders, artisan, market women, and some other people say the standard of their living say e don improve since when he enter. I come dey wonder, Mr. Buhari abeg, which database you use to calculate this one? Because me, as I know myself like this, I know say my standard of living e never pass where e dey. Now management, na me I still dey do. So as you come confirm this kind matter, I no come understand. E be like say na 10.5 million cows na him mean. I no sure say na human being na him dey talk about. Because I come dey look how this thing improve. Wey be say right now insecurity don even dey very high for Nigeria. Every day kidnapping they go on, killing they happen. Now you come they think am say now things really improve for you. Say now standard of living of people increase. In fact, this thing it shock me. This kind of lie where this man lie, he over shock me. Why president go just sit down, they think of lie on how to just make in country good. When people will be citizens inside this country know say the thing way they do, you know they even do am well. So why can't come when they talk another thing? This whole thing now, him talk say him don lift out poverty, and me I come dey surprise. This poverty where you lift out, you don't forget say unemployment still dey this country. Say people no even get work. Inflation don rise. In fact, everything don cost for market. Tin tomato wey dey sell 15 naira before, e don enter 150. So I don't know where this man they get him own thing. Now so many destruction of business based on all this fighting and killing. People don't lose their business because of this whole bandit thing. People don't lose business. Things don't. How many farmers they don't kill for this your tenure? How many people don't die for this your tenure before? All this thing now, it don't on the high side though. So I don't know as you take calculate your own. The one where even can surprise me, I think the calculator in talks in give 5,000 naira to 1 million Nigerians. I beg if now they inside the people who collect this money, make an indicator because me 10 naira. Where in fact 10 naira no even buy pure water. I no see collect. So people will collect now, making a comment. I talk this one, and in talk say in give 1.3 million Nigerians palliative. This palliative will be say we hear now people even go thief small this palliative carry. Now in this man they talk say in give them out to people, and even all this thing where he mentioned as we sum them up, this to not even reach 10.5 million. You see say this man he mago too much. As some people they talk bad, now so some people say they praise and say this Buhari they talk they do well. But for me, for my own side though, I never see what this man they do. Apart from so okay fine, he don't inaugurate trade and they build something. But aside that one, I never see work where this man they do. The one where can even boss everything, where can boss my mind then. Now what did they even call him? World Bank. They come as I talk say the rise of prices go push 7 million additional Nigerians into poverty. Una hear wetin I talk? The rise of prices e go push 7 million additional Nigerians. That means the ones wey dey before una still dey now 7 million people. That means people wey even claim say they get money, now them say they go come add to people wey dey before. Say everybody now we wan come join into poverty association. In fact, I forbid this kind of thing for my life. I forbid am for everybody wey dey even watch this kind of thing. Where this World Bank dey talk. Now because of say wetin things don dey overrise. As e be like this, everything don cost for Nigeria. Something wey be say e go even dey normal. You know say na cheap money you go use take buy am. No be so again for this our country. Everything don increase unnecessarily. Now I make World Bank say come sit down think and say this one wey Buhari talk say 10.5 million Nigerians they no dey even suffer, they no dey live anything wey dey near to poverty. Na there say come calculate am talk say e be like say based on wetin this Buhari dey talk, him no know wetin he dey talk. Dem say they come tell us say in fact 7 million people go come join this whole league. Now wow, my people, make we dey ready, make we start. I no know what everybody wan go dey do. Now to dey gather money because e be like say things go dey change for the good or things won't spoil be that. But everything dey worse. They even come talk say the high inflation na im dey even worse this poverty, and e go bring down business activities for the country. That is, people wey even get business. In fact, this one wey they see where they complain say things cost, we never even see FOCO. Now new things they come where we say people business will go even sleep for one place. People no go even get money do things again. How come they wonder, President Buhari, now this kind of thing you want for your citizen? If you like say this man and in government people, they just want to make we they suffer, make them they enjoy this money. Because this whole thing now way they do for this country, who you they favor? Now you go come outside talk saying you won't come contest for some. Who won't vote for you? Now yourself if they give this bad name because now all the whole country, everybody for the world, they don't know say Nigeria no be good place. Nobody will even associate that. In fact, if you hear say if they hear say you be Nigerian, then they won't come up from your side. They don't even want to give the least opportunity to any Nigerian person now because they fear say Nigerians they be terrorists, they be killers. On top of say waiting because of how our country be, how bad things they happen. I make people they talk all this kind of thing. So how won't content do them now? How so like this you won't leave this and make things just they go like this? Oga Buhari, when you come now change now you call them. But this kind of change now it don't they enter. I don't know the kind of change where we go. This one a bad change. This one not be any good thing because since you enter this power now bad things now we just they occur. Today bandit, tomorrow kidnapping. What's it gonna happen? You thought say you won't carry us from prosperity now poverty now you don't carry us they go inside deep poverty. I beg go, we dey beg you, find something to do about this matter because it be like say Nigerians they don't they cry too much. See protest where they do, all in the name of Buhari must go. If say you be good president, nobody go come outside come talk say Buhari must go. Nobody go come outside come they face you, they challenge you say things they happen. But now you they claim deaf ear. I think say you don't go treat that ear where they paying, they don't help you clean up. So you suppose don't they hear what the country people they talk about now say change this land, try do something about this whole thing where they happen. Because this one now where they don't they assure us say this poverty rate go increase. This one now they go they put fear for inside normal person life because person will be say that means person where they even see manage chop. It means that the person no go they see anything chop again as the country don't they go. We know say things hard, we know say things they change. But I beg find something to do about this whole matter. Find I don't know as I want to be on a meeting I go do. And all this lie where they lie say you give some people money. I beg me I no collect any money. My fellow Nigerians if I no say na collect, make na talk and say yes na collect. And if na they suffer, make na no even come as I can't talk say na they suffer because na don't already collect on her rights. They don't pay on her. But as for me, I get my right to talk my mind. As they vex me now they talk am so. I beg Mr. Buhari, find something do. The change where you talk say you want change, do that change. This kind of change where you talk now opposite change. Now it be we no want them. I beg, we they beg you. This kind of matter now here I can see make a bring up for now here making herself here waiting our president talk about. Making I not forget to like share and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video.